Welcome back for previous year questions analysis. Hope you're practicing more questions. Solving previous year questions helps you to follow syllabus and pattern more accurate. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. If the United States of America were to default on its debt, holders of U.S. Treasury bonds will not be able to exercise their claims to receive payment. Statement 2. The USA government debt is not backed by any hard assets, but only by the faith of the government. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? A. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct and Statement 2 explains Statement 1. B. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct, but Statement 2 does not explain Statement 1. C. Statement 1 is correct, but Statement 2 is incorrect. D. Statement 1 is incorrect, but Statement 2 is correct. Answer is option A. A. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct and Statement 2 explains Statement 1. Consider the following airport. 1. Doni Polo Airport. 2. Kushinagar International Airport. 3. Vijayawada International Airport. In the recent past, which of the above have been constructed as greenfield projects? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option A. Statement 1 is correct. Doni Polo Airport, Itanagar is the first greenfield airport in Arunachal Pradesh, has been developed in an area of over 690 acres at a cost of more than 640 crores rupees. It was inaugurated by PM Modi in 2022. Statement 2 is correct. Kushinagar International Airport is a greenfield airport, was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in October 2021. Statement 3 is incorrect. Vijayawada International Airport is not a greenfield project. Keep practicing more previous year questions. Thank you.